I'm going to show you how I make a delicious breakfast with chocolate powder, palm sugar, yogurt, which is actually soy plus coconut mixed together, blackstrap molasses, pitted dates, and a banana. And this will begin the voiceover part. I started with yogurt. There's the sugar. Here's the blackstrap molasses label if you want to pause it. Got a lot of iron there for you. And if you want to read what's in the yogurt, that's the soy yogurt. 10 grams of protein. And this one's got a lot of vitamin D. And not vitamin D, calcium in it. There's what's in that. And there they are together. I mix them together. There's the dates from Sprouts. And if you want to know what's in the dates, there it is. I thought they were a lot of sugar. I put 2 dates in, 2 or 3. I took pictures twice of that, I forgot. There's the banana. It didn't look like it was going to offer much, but it did. You're going to be surprised. There goes the blackstrap molasses next to a cap that I will later put away. There's this, just a little bit of sugar, kind of ties it all together. There's the chocolate. Probably about 2 tablespoons. It's the dates. They only put a couple in. I thought they were much higher in sugar than they are. They're really tasty. They kind of make it, if you know what I mean by make it. Mixed it all together. There goes the bananas. It kind of blends all the flavors, a little bit of sugar. Oh, and I got an apple in there too. How about that for excitement? Put a little bit more yogurt in at the end. Threw the scraps in an old yogurt container. Cleaned my sink. It was pretty clean. Not much to clean to begin with. There's my messy kitchen. And then it took me maybe a minute to get rid of everything. Wash my knife. And there it is. There's the dish on it. The bowl still on there. And now we're going to eat it pretty soon. I'm washing off the fork I used to mix it. And here comes the ambient video part of the video. You're going to see me eat my food. So I was going to do like a ambient video, but I decided to keep speeding it up. So it looks like almost like a dog's eating. And here's the best part. This is the best part of it right here, that last mouthful. And it's easier to clean up the bowl when it's all scraped. 2 seconds there, and then you can go make a video.